Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I promise I'm back. I know I said this in every single video, but this time I'm back. I just had to get some shit together in my personal life, you know? But today, this tutorial is something that a lot of my Instagram followers have been waiting for. This is my Glam Silver Glitter Liner tutorial. Super easy. Definitely something I didn't expect to be as easy to recreate. But if you want to see how I get this bomb ass glam look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos in the future. But let's get on into it. So I'm starting off with my favorite base. I'm taking my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Vanilla, and I'm going to apply that to my lid with my concealer brush from Wet n Wild, I believe. Next, I'm using my fingertips to blend out the rest of the concealer. I just feel like my fingertips warm up the product enough to give me that nice blank canvas. So I'll be using my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette for today's tutorial, and I'm taking that dark brown shade and packing that color into my crease, and I'm packing that shade on with my Morphe pencil brush. I'll be sure to leave the number in the description bar down below, guys. I just don't have it on me right now. In the same palette, I'm going to take that orange shade with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to buff out those edges. So you guys are going to see hella clips of me blending out this shadow. I just want to take a moment to point out that I'm very precise when it comes to my blending, so I'm going to try to keep as many clips in as possible, showing you that it takes time to achieve that blended look. Once I've blended till my heart's content, I'm going to take that same pencil brush and apply whatever is left on the brush to my crease, just to make sure I still keep that depth and that warmth. A lot of the pigment is lost when you go through your blending, so you just want to go back with that first color to make sure it hasn't been lost behind the others. Using that same blending brush from the orange shadow, I'm going over all the harsh lines, making sure everything is flawless. To cut my crease, I'm using my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm using that same Wet n Wild concealer brush to achieve this look. Let me know if you guys want a detailed cut crease video on how I do this. I have hooded eyes. A lot of people wonder how I get my cut creases to show when I look up, and I can definitely do an in-depth tutorial on how I achieve that. Just let me know if you want that. I'll also be using my Morphe 35V palette, and I'm using a tan matte shade to set my concealer. For my liner, I'll be using my NYX Glitter liner in the shade Silver, just as a base before I apply my loose glitter. I'll be using my Lily Lash Glue and my silver glitter that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm still going to make a video about how I package my glitter, guys. I promise. Just wait on it. It's coming. It's in the works. And I'm using a angled brush. It's a random makeup brush that I got from Amazon to apply the glitter to that base that we used beforehand. For one of the final touches, I'll be taking my Pretty Easy Liquid Liner by Clinique, one of my favorites, and I'm going to outline all the silver glitter that we made, just basically giving the wing a more vibrant touch, making it more seamless and flawless. And as you can see, I was not perfect with it, so take your time. I was kind of rushing, I had work, I was just all over the place. Plus, you're gonna put on lashes, so you won't see it if you make a couple mistakes. This is what we're looking like so far. I'm just going to go ahead and do my foundation and all that, and then I'll be right back. Now that I have my lashes and my face done, I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line with a brown and an orange shade from my Morphe 35V palette. So sorry guys, I thought I had a little clip of it, but I unfortunately do not. And I'm using my MAC smudging brush. I don't have the number, but I'll link it down below. And then for the final touches, I'm going to use my NARS Climax mascara for my lower lashes as well. And here is the finished look for you babes. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'm going to try to post videos every week for you loves. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily makeup tutorials and to stay up to date with my current personal life obligations and all of that, you know. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. But until then, babes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.